atiefo na ahwefo enumbre yi yebechie obiana yama obi bia akwaba enumbre be obia bichia me mawajo we time with common sense family baby obia mesra obasra bomwondere se obeden obehye video na mami na obi so ayeden abasra beden ababehwe yena masi ene adwumade a mo ne yeden common sense abusiafo nyina yena masi from day one adwuma no yena mo na ehase ana adwuma no yena mo yensu yeden yena mo yeden ene igusu nti basra anumre obaso a dia mesra se obehye video no amame na obi so ayeden anya bia yeden ahwe adesua kakra bi ene na anumre yede ba nyoma ba ko bi na yenu ma Christopher omu refi ena me pese me yeden me kai omu ene enumre nti wo ba so a mesrew wadan roma mo mwondere se wo ba yeden wo ba share video no na me fa akwanya yiso so na me nda ye penin so ase Abraham de mushi e wa dumade a wa yeden opo e dia boa Ghana man se obie Ghana fuani na nokore e fa ntuma pa yeden afrana Ghana atinya yeden akonkan dia ye pese muti ase ne se dia ye no the betterment of Ghana, the goodness of Ghana. Said that Ghana be ko yiye. And one thing that yes sir, TSM mobile social videos no na dey sua here. And that medical test mienu bi ba e be man no ma Christopher na makai omo bia omo refi bia omo refi. One say Bible no eyebuka eso ensem wom de wo be kinkan ha ewie na wa be kinkan ha na we refi dia wudi kan ye den kinkan ye no enti Paul kan asemi asem na Paul kan ye no ena nde me ba be kai ye nwa na Christopher enti wo ye Christoni a ena de me be kai wa de ade a wo refi ana asem dia wo refi e wo Bible no ena me ba be kai wo se wo de be ye den wo de be ye eduma because Yesu ka say yemfa da mu asem ga de yemfa nye dima te mesra wo baswa na wo mo wan se wo be wo be share video na obi so ayede anya bi ahwe aha emse adisian ye busu ye bo adisian so na enumre na emse ne ko pie papa bi e fa na papa shi me ko pie the video bi so am say opo Bright TV me bi am boss e ko last week ya na 7 enumre ni won so bi say won't Abraham bi Moshe ye fa say answer this man and Abraham bi Moshe on ka bi fa papa she ho ana mesrem common sense family yesrem ye pamcho baby ye nim die any addition any movement na edu no sometimes we don't waste our bullet on cockroaches, we don't throw stone against barking dogs mesrem Eyo bia ne ba Abraham bi Moshe ba ko dabi na mimpo se mimbre wo papa se ho oro papa se kra mimpo se mimbre na o mighty Abraham bi Moshe dabi komo san ko ne yesrem unse papa bi ma ya fa no sompo unse Abraham bi Moshe on ka no asem da unse bi so men ka no asem da nyasa yentimi ka no asem betimi akaba the omo ye no omo tran to ahonti ye we bi mu a empenifu ase aboare pe kokwa ye no nti na ode no ye den etwetwiri sie ye we bi ma they want to make name nti and some the common sense family ni Abraham bi Moshe asemba na omo dia make it nti esrem mo forget san crop na ye focus we have a lot ye focus on the message no na here nti na bia ye ka say ye mo mondele na ye nya CSF TV no na yenti fa NIT ma minimum a omu we kurase seven they don't have access to the YouTube any Facebook ni social media no enti mesrem the 2000 defenders of Abraham bi Moshe 2000 defenders of Abraham bi Moshe won yan join ya bon modere se wo be connect na wo join na kakra bi a wo bia fa support na dwumadi ni ngade enkoso enumbre mi ba ya enye boni se na me di kan no me pese me bu a Christopher enye numre na omutimi di Bible ya den eye eduma Because in Christianity, according to Christians, someone from Bible, and I yes, no one say my dear man, heaven, Nadia obey them, Yano, Yadia to say, we are not interested in the heaven of Christians. Number one, we are not interested in the heaven of Muslims. A Christopher heaven, no. Young common sense family, yes, young pet, Mom from heaven. And cram for heaven. Young common sense family, yes, young pet. We are not interested. Young peho. Yepeha. Young common sense family, Yepa Sasi, Yepegana Sasi, Yepe well, you know. Young person, you see, Sasui. Never heaven. Indeed, we are not interested in the heaven of Christians and Muslims. Going to heaven, and yet by force. Going to heaven, and yet by force. And yet force. Even if the God of Christians, a Christopher, so the heaven temia, Name pa, and I made a meko, a Gramophonia me Allah, say on the heaven temia, a Gramophonia heaven, so the temi, no swimming messing qua, me pa, and I meko, because only young coupon, or you'll be up at the amount. According to the Bible, Yankupon will be up at the amount. It me pa, and I meko heaven. Me pa, me for heaven, and ya by force. And your force. A Christo for Christians, you people should stop preaching and telling people to go to heaven. Because going to heaven is not by force. A Christo for this is the time. It's the same with that free thinkers. Monja life for my Ma Christo ni bia preaching ko so ni bia. Memma krambodi bia preaching ko so ni bia. Memma krambodi bia preaching common sense ni bia. Because who kramboni, who preaching common sense ni. Who ka tell say on me some krambo so no. At the end of the day, who person yen or heaven. Yen common sense family. Yen say we are not interested in the heaven of the Muslims and the heaven of Christians. Yempe, Sayabane Yempe. I don't want to go to the heaven of Christians. Mempe. I don't want to go to the heaven of Muslims. Mempe. Yempe mo heaven. Monfa mo heaven. Inti mo bi am preach e biem. Say yemo na mo se mo pray heaven akwa. Mon ko heaven na mo nya asase yi maye. Asase yen yepe. Yen asase we yen yepe. Common sense family. Free thinkers. Yen yesi asase we yen yepe. Eti engramofue a Christopher monja hamaye na mon from heaven. Na hano monya maye. Na yen boy bra ha. We are not interested in your heaven. Who tie the American? And that topic ni ye kwaso. Hwe me ka kire a Christopher say we the Christonia. Ye din na tie me yiye. Ye din na tie dia me de me ka kire wo. Christianity and Jesus. Omo dia be die me ka no kra kire wo. We read through Bible. Say Bible no say monfa manisua enya den embre me. Dia waso ni no so abe onfa mbre mi Jesus. Na me den mema na ngome. Me pacho eye na da. Sa sebo eye na do mo dia da ye. E kire se wo problem. Wo hawa fambre Jesus wo. Na Jesus obeji wo problem no na wa ma wa honto. Enti a Christopher me pacho me sremo a Africa fo yen ye Ghana fo yen ye problem na ye wo no. Still Jesus only wow. Still Jesus cannot see the problem and the suffering of we the black people. Jesus cannot see the problem of Africa. Africa for ye bre, Abibi for ye bre, Africa ye bre, Ghana for ye bre. Now Bible no say, mon family no swa, en family Yesu, na Yesu best one, na majuma woman. How many times of days I am on by? Still Jesus cannot solve our problem. Brah, use the bread. And then we can simply say, the Muslims go to the mosque without sandals and shoes. And the same thing happens to the Christians. They enter into the church without the bread. Christian be a glass with them or one have to not the Nitikonko keke. Because se wo te asori dem na se wo se wo de adwen be ye adwuma yen kan tro se wo yo twan e ma wo ngi ntum yen kan tro se wo ye kraman e ma wo ngi ntum and now nothing sem we the Christian am in kind quotation too pe fa ko ye adwuma me kind quotation too pe according to 1 Peter chapter 2 and bro me quotation we and then so me say the quotation no na me de ba ko aka ho me ba tawo tie me kai na wati ni aso nyame yi we the Christian me kai na wati ni aso Kristo yi we the Christian me kai na wati ni the Bible no e ye adwuma yi we the Christian me kai abrabo Paul e Jesus say bo na wati ni abo sabra no na daachi wuwu a wanyankwa akoye because heaven no e hiaw papa wadin dua se obekọ heaven nti me boawo abrabo a ye di ko heaven e na nde me ba be kire wo e quotation tu wo ba so a share video na ye de yenko wo e Kristo na wure fi a me be quotation atra wa e bia wure fi se wo di be ye duma me mfa twi Bible no enu ni me de ko 1 Peter chapter 2 verses number 21 me kai me ba to tie me ba kai atre wa tie 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 21 o say Yesu nhweso ene ye topic no Yesu na nhweso o tie ye be hwe Yesu na ye de abobra asem wo ye wo ha no ye wi a ye be ko Paul nchen Paul nso be kasa a Christopher ye nyajo hypocrisy. Christians don't even know how to worship their own Jesus. A Christopher kura mfa Yesu na ni wasem yeduma. Ye be asori dem and hypocrite nyajo nkwa na aka yi wa Christopher. And over things we am meso. 1 Peter 2:21. O say na ye na wo bo di mfra mo. Mo no e mo a Christopher. Ye na ye bo di mfra mo tio. Ye na ye bo di mfra mo. Every say Kristo nso munu Kristo nso munu amane maamo Kristo nso munu amane maamo jamu nhweso ase mundi na namo achi manenkai bo fune to aso ha Yesu Kristo si o jamu nhweso na modi na namo achi nti abra kwa Yesu bo ye no mo a Kristo fo nso mo nso munya den mo mobi na daachi modi mi aye aya nkwaje e di amam kra ti 1 Peter chapter 2 verses number 21 ena me ba be kan akire a Kristofo no te wo ye Kristo na sabi prayer sa wo ye fia me kai na onyame som no atini adimu na onyame som no atini asipi na sita na daachi wanya nkwaje e di amam kra daachi wanya nkwaje bi ama wo kra me kan verse 21 what he said. Was it to this you were called? To this you were called. Because Christ suffered for you, leaving you example that you should follow in his steps. Jesus left you example that you should follow his steps. Again, Jesus steps. And I'm open to Jesus too. Example be na Jesus or child. Any man yan Christopher say ye ni echi. What is am whether? Me nyan so say Jesus buy wa doctor no da. Nti Jesus onya kronfo. Nti hu Christo ni a wo kro no. Number 1, wait. Me nyan so say Jesus buy no. O wale. Jesus wan wale da. Nti Jesus was setting example. At wa ma say hu Christo ni. Ana mo no Jesus tu ye no. Won so ba bra betu ana mo ni. Me nyan so say Jesus wale. Enti wo ye Kristo ni na sabi wa wale a atemu da Jesus meka kire o say anamo na me jama no awale en ka ho me ba to tie da me ka ho afi ye ba 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verses number 1 na Paul nso apa ko sensan ase say wo ye Kristo ni na wa ntu Kristo anamo a atemu da ho be chiw na mo ga na Kristofo me hu Kristo anamo bi amutu. And it last me can say Ghana hapa say ya ponsi from no so pre Kristo ni ba ko a if you no so be paso be du obi aso Ghana ha obi anya Kristo ni mo ankasa mo Ghana fo Yes, Jesus, only Ghana fool. Jesus, only black people. Jesus, only Ghana for. Don't forget in the Bible. And my will be say Jesus, Ekatrina for say, and Israel see, and not a one year one chain, and I hear them. Yes, so mommy, what kind the book of Matthew chapter 10? Jesus, Osuma, a Sia Fort Water, and or catch who say, Man, Mamma, Manenko, Amanamai Quanso, and Manenko, Amanamai Quanso, and Saint Jesus be by your pa, Saint Jesus be by ya, and or Messama Bureau, so ba, and Israel for, and a baby can afford dance here at Jesus. Or make Jesus, and Jesus, Aquaba, Okoyano, one family can buy, one country say, Young Cassandra, and a moment's war. Now, Okoyano, and Crophobia from Ghana for a hair, a be a 94 Ghana for an nature what Jesus know. As some of these Republic Jesus and American, it is Republic Jesus said, Jesus, Okoyano, as Empire de Bagana. Ebi asante fo bi di awona fo ebi ye ntumuru fo ebi ya dan fo ebi ye nsima fo ebi ye krobo fo adan fo awona fo fante fo da bomba fo kusasi fo mamprisi fo enti ye Israel fo eni ebedi Ghana fo adanse atre Jesus don't know you black man. Jesus don't know black people. Jesus don't know black people. So black people, let's wake up. How do you testify about someone you don't know? I can't think far. I can't think madness. Even if Jesus were to be existed, that Jesus never knew the black people. Only more. Now, 1 Corinthians chapter 11, verse 1. Tie Paul de Babeka. Paul, at least for Paul. Tie de Babeka Theosia. A Christopher Paul in the Casa. Yenga dina yeko tie dia Paul e wo mai. 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 1. Me say we a Christiania. Me kai quotation ya wona be mo bra na dachi wa ya nkwache. Tio 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 1. Was to follow my examples. Paul Neka. Follow my examples. Who did that Paul Neka? Paul say, follow my example. As I follow the example of Christ. 1 Corinthians chapter 11, verse 1. Ose munhwe minhia me. Said ya minhia Christo no. And Paul say, follow my example as I follow the example of Christ. Now, what are the examples here? Christo ni again example no ah. Paul wan twin brother. Paul wan fageda. Yanti say Paul awale. Enti onu Paul say wan wale. Ade nti no wale. Say Jesus no so buy wan wale no. Onu Paul or share the example of Jesus. Nti Jesus buy wan wale. Nti Paul no so wale. Jesus buy yanti ne yereda. Jesus Paul no so yewu ne yereda. Jesus buy yanti say of amprada. Paul no so yanti say of amprada. And Paul in catching mu a Christo for say, Monsham Siam, said ya, Monsieur Christo, ah, Siam. And Paul, or say Jesus and Wale, or Paul and Wale. To we a Christo in tear, may be a wagging. Now, what you know with the Paul Kai may be a wagging. One says, I'm a maker. One day, one day, I me, and they are meeting watching. I style Yamo. I style Yamo. Ono Paul say, or Monshé ono Paul, na Monsiamo, because ono Oshe Christo, eno Sia Paul. And I say, Christo Yesu, Yanti se wawaleda. And only the point that you bring, because Jesus is more correct, Christo ni we are from Jesus only conquersada. Wo Christo ni we are conquersada. If you are not there, and what bomb, and what tidada. But Jesus and Wale, and Paul say, oh Jesus, ɛna osua Jesus nti sɛ Jesus anwale a ɔno Paul nso wanwale ɛna Paul sɛ ɔno nso hwɛ nanam akyi na sua ɔno Paul sɛ ɔhwɛ Jesus a osua Jesus no Jesus anwale Paul anwale akristofoɔ mo asɛm bɔ bɔ woyɛ kristo ni na wanwale a me so woyɛ dɛn wo asɛm bɔ bɔ wɔn sɛ Bible no wɔn kwasi asɛm ekum ana wɔn mi ya spiritual understanding wɔn mi ya wɔn ti ase wɔn Paul sɛ mo nhwɛ mi na mo nhyia me sɛ ya me hwɛ kristo na me hyia no ɛno nso spiritual diagnosis ana sɛ yɛ spiritual analysis ɛdi sɛ yɛ wura mu wiase ansa bia Paul ka yɛ ase wɔn sɛ wɔn kristo ni bi adwene kɔ hɔ because nonsense. It doesn't make sense. Say Jesus anwale na Paul also be sure Jesus na Paul also anwale na Paul e ka kire yem say yen hwe ono Paul nsia say dia ono nso o hwe Jesus sua na ni nyina ka ho omu mienu na obi anwale nti a Christopher free na kwa se mo pese mu sua Yesu no korem na mu di Paul e ti no korem mu a awale mu yin free me mo obi anwale bi me ka no kra kire mo yama adwin eduma enumre mi kasa bebre ma bebie wa adwin ma be kayo ma kayo se Bible no endorse wa kai fa akafa bebie awure fi na me kayo no nti 1 Peter 2:21 o se we na le bo odin frem Yesu Kristo be wuma eda mo nhweso se mu ndi na mo achi ana mo ba ko Yesu na mbokro no nti wo ye Kristo na wo wi ade a wo ye koromfo a wo wukura ye ana mo mienu Yesu wan fa de Yesu na nwale wo ye Kristo ni na wo fa de na wo wale a atemuda wo wukura nkeye 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 1 Paul say mo nhwe Paul na mo nsia no said am hwe Kristo a nsia no Paul anwale Paul antwempra ena wo Kristo ni wa wale a wo twempra atemuda nyankopon be bisawo obeka kire se Kristo ni adentina mo anhwe Jesus antu ana mo wo Kristo ni a wo ye okromfo wo Kristo ni a wo ye kokonsani wo Kristo ni a wo ye oludini wo Kristo ni a wo butafu wo Kristo ni a wo wiye ye no Jesus anwale wonso wo wale Paul anwale wonso wo wale trase na deho. Thank you for making us number 1 ye de bia besi a eye ma wo refi na kai YouTube channels no na subscribe aye Common Sense Family CSF TV Chronicles of Bimoshe and CSF Yahuda YouTube kai subscribe na share mega wasi na be bibia yen esia we message to Christians me kai a Christopher say omo hwe Jesus nsuan na omo hwe Paul ensuan Jesus anwale Paul nso anwale ena Paul be si fu say abrabo na Jesus boy no eye no Paul be boy enti wo pese wo ye Kristo ni mapa wo ye Kristo wo pese wo ye Kristo ni a wundi mu ya eye se di onu Paul hwe Jesus eni boy ne bra no wo nso Kristo ni hwe onu Paul na ka bo bra Jesus ni Paul obi antwempana obi anwale efiri ne ko a Kristofo wo hwe video ya atemuda wo wa no yie wo twempana wo wale nso a wo say asema meka no e ba ya se mi mpom na me nka nyansasem ba wo bunkuru na ma kenkan e na mi kirem e ya kirew de wo bunkuru na me ka kirew wo Bible wo gori bunkuru wo say aha ne de wo be ka say da bi ye fa ye eduma e no ti na yan yesi bunkuru enye ba bia na ye eduma eyeye bunkuru Bible no enye ba bia na ye bo bra eyeye. How can you tell me say yen hwe unsia na me pato yen hwe unsia say na wo hwe Yesu no Yesu nso awanwale wonso awanwale enti say yen hwe wansia wa awale nso yen yin tun che ana eno de Kristo de be ka se dabi on kansa o kan say e ya dwi na mo pese wo de ye duma me da se ye de bia besia subscribe CSF Yahuda YouTube bye bye ye be san share you Common Sense yes ya dwi na ye duma body ne bre bye bye.